Hello YouTube Vintage Restorers. You're working on a vintage unit and you have a transistor or something that's way in there. And you can't even get your fingers around it, let alone desolder it. But you don't want to leave it in unchanged. Now let's see if we get some good light on this. It's not in the path of the camera. Here's a little thing I figured out years ago. Leftover big alligator clip with strong jaws. Clamp the capacitor. There's no way I can get my fingers on that. Then I'm going to turn it around. And here's the other side. Now what I have to do is rock it out as I desolder. And that can be a bit of a problem too. Because now you're reaching around and it's like, well, where is it? Hey, it's at the end of that alligator clip thing. Okay. Well, I think I can get it out now. Rock it back and forth, just touch it with side iron, and you got it out. And we just come around here. And we just clear the hole. I'm using a vacuum desolder on this because the desolder is so strong it could lift the lands that happens on these. So now we bring it around. Now we gotta get the new cap into there. It's like, I guess. Well, that's a 1 microfarad. Better check. Yes, it is a 1 microfarad. So we put this on the new cap gently, and then we got to figure out the polarity. And the polarity is, well, I got sheet here. Positive is the hole that's at the top. In we go. Like that lead in. This is the hardest one on the whole board. Okay. Now you can feel it coming through. Let go of the alligator clip. And now just push it to its final destination. Okay, so you should be able to grab it with your needle nose on the other side. Okay. I'm swinging this around. So, there it is right there. I'm going to have to grab it and kind of walk it in. I mean, the alternative is not an easy one. The alternative is pulling this entire board out, desoldering. You don't want to do it. You're going to do more damage than what you're repairing. Anyway, and here's the thing, I'm actually soldering uphill here, which is fine because you got to find some way to swing the thing around. It will work. The solder will wick. Like that. Like that. Anyway, just a quick tip on getting those tough parts in and out. Thanks.